Good evening. Today, some problems have been given by students. There is one problem given by Ashish Sharma, which is numerical from concentrations of solutions. This is the numerical. Calculate the mole fraction of water in a mixture of 12 gram water, 108 gram acetic acid, and 92 gram of ethanol. See, in this numerical, you got a solution having three components. Okay, one component is water, one is acetic acid, and the third component is ethanol. So first of all, let us write the given situation. Mass of water is 12 gram, and we know that molar mass of water is 18. Okay, by using this, we can calculate the number of moles of water. Given mass divided by molar mass gives the number of moles. And if we divide 12 by 18, I think it will be 0.66. So these are number of moles of water. In similar way, you can calculate number of moles of acetic acid, because here mass of acetic acid is given. Mass of acetic acid is how much? It is 108 gram. And we know molar mass of acetic acid. If you don't know, you can compute it from its molecular formula. Molecular formula of acetic acid is CH3COOH, mass of carbon 12, H1O16, and it comes out to be 60. And number of moles of acetic acid will come out to be equal to 108 divided by 60. It is around 1.8 something. Okay, now let us find number of moles of third component, which is ethanol. Mass of ethanol is given as 92 gram, and molar mass of ethanol, again you must remember its formula, which is C2H5OH, and molar mass comes out to be 46, and dividing 92 by 46, you are going to get its number of moles, which is 2. Okay, up to now you have determined number of moles of all the three components. Now you can get their mole fractions very easily. For example, mole fraction of first component, that is water, will be equal to number of moles of water divided by the sum of number of moles of all the components, that is 0.66 plus 1.8 plus 2. So 0.66 divided by their sum, it is around 4.46. If you solve it, you will get it 0.147. We round it off, it is 0.15. Now similarly, you should calculate the mole fraction of second component, that is acetic acid. So mole fraction of acetic acid will be number of moles of acetic acid, which is 1.8, divided by the sum of all the components, that is 4.46, and on solving it will come out to be 0. Approximately around 40 something. You can calculate by using your calculators. And finally, you can calculate number of moles of ethanol, which will be mole fraction of ethanol divided by all the components, and it will come out around 0.45. If you add this value, this value, and this value. These should roughly come around 1. If it is around 1, that means you are on right track, your answer is right. Because we know if fractions of all the components are added, the answer should be total. Total means unity. So in this way, you can solve this numerical, and now I think you can solve other numericals of this type also. If still you get some problem, you can call me or let me know down. Thank you.